This is the Volferda two-room type. This is a double-story house, composed of two houses 5.8 meters long, 2.25 meters wide, and 2.45 meters high. There is an independent power switch on the first floor. The bathroom is on the left side of the switch. Sink, toilet, water heater, exhaust fan, shower. For a bathroom, it is quite complete. The living room is very spacious here. There is a hole in the top of the first floor. It's connected to the second floor. A spiral staircase will be installed by then. The second floor is a room plus a terrace. There is also an independent electric switch on the second floor. One side is a spacious floor-to-ceiling glass. And there are windows at both ends, so don't worry. Finally, there is the terrace at the top of the first floor. When the time comes, glass guardrails will be installed here, which will be very beautiful. This is the introduction of Volferda 2. If you are interested, you can contact me.
Volferda, a synonym of smart houses.